Welcome back. In South Dakota, a legal battle is now underway over the estate of Maurice and Darlene Williams. They earned millions several years back from the sale of Sioux, the T-Rex that was found on the property, buried there. The skeletons were discovered in 1990 on the property, like you say.
Yeah, incredible. About 7 years later, they then auctioned off that T-Rex skeleton for $7.6 million after Maurice died in 2011 and Darlene passed away just in 2020. There's been a court battle over who inherits what's left of that T-Rex fortune. Reporter Tom Hansen has our story.
According to their obituaries, the couple had 4 children, and according to court records, 3 of those siblings are now locked in a court battle over Darlene's estate. According to records filed in Lincoln County, Darlene Williams has 2 wills. The original, signed in 2017, includes all of her children and all of her grandchildren with very specific instructions. She planned to give each of her daughters a diamond ring, and each of her grandchildren would receive equal shares of her estate. It also lists daughter Sandra Williams Luther as the personal representative in charge of settling the estate and making sure the will is carried out. A second will is dated November 25th of 2020, 2.5 weeks before Darlene's death. It designates her daughter Sandra as the sole heir and sole executor. In the typed document, she asks her children not to fight. She says she's lived with them at odds for too many years, and maybe with her death her kids will find peace and make their way back to being a family. In August of 2021, several months after Darlene's death, a judge appointed her other daughter, Jacqueline Schwartz, as the special administrator of the estate. The court ruled that she continue in that role in February of 2022. According to court documents, Schwartz questions whether the second will is legal. She says her mother was critically ill and in hospice care when she signed the document, and there was no witness in the room due to COVID restrictions. Schwartz is also contesting the sale of their mother's home in Spearfish 2 weeks before her death. Schwartz points out that her mother's signatures don't really match other documents. According to court documents, the proceeds, $225,000, eventually went to Darlene's son, Carson Williams.
Again, that's Tom Hansen reporting, and we'll continue to follow the drama in South Dakota.
That's right. Those recent court documents, of course, indicate that Jacqueline Schwartz is actually asking permission to bring claims against Sandra Carson and possibly Dakota Title on behalf of the estate. Schwartz alleges possible misappropriation of funds. This case, as Tim mentioned, is ongoing. And of course, we only really know about it because of Sioux the T-Rex.
That's right. Pretty popular find many, many years ago.